So check out this 14 port powered hub from Sentank. And if your first thoughts are, dude, that's just a hub. Well, think again, because this could actually be a huge time, power, and space saver, not only for your desk, but for other places in your life. So let me show you why.
Mr. Black.
By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black. I'd love to share with you cool gear that comes my way. And if you're new here, don't be a stranger. And I'll put links to everything down in the description. Also, finally back in the studio after being away in the States, and I had some crazy adventures there. So if you haven't seen them yet, you could check it out after this video. So opening up this Sentank box, you get the hub, which has connections for USB-A, USB-C. You can see there's a lot of details and a lot of things going on here. You also get the power brick to plug into the wall to power this thing up. It also comes with a USB 3.0 Type B port to connect it to your computer, but also has a USB-C adapter on top of that. Now, the hub has 14 USB ports, and it works with Windows and Mac, just plug and play. And the hub includes 2 USB-A charging ports for like your watch or other devices you might be charging up, 2 USB-C charging ports for other devices like your phone or cameras or things like that, 1 USB-C 3.0 port that is 5 gigabytes per second. This is great for like SSD drives, or if you want to import footage from your camera really quickly. And then there's 6 USB-A 3.0 ports that are 5 gigabytes per second, and that's for your hard drives or other fast accessories. 3 USB-A 2.0 ports for like printers and a mouse and keyboard. And also on the back, you have the USB 3.0 Type B port, and that's for a fast and secure connection to your computer. And because this thing is powered with a 60-watt brick, you can have all of this filled up, and it brings a strong and stable supply to all of those external devices, including laptops, desktops, tablets, smartphones, cameras, printers, so much more. It also protects against overcurrent, overvoltage, and short circuit protection, thus keeping your devices and data safe. I just said thus. That's the first time I've ever said thus. Now, one of the things that sets this hub apart from some of the other ones, you actually have 7 individual switches to turn different devices on or off. So maybe if you have some USB lights on one section, you can just turn those on and off in a click of a button. Maybe you have a fan and you have some other things that are noisy and you want to turn those off really quick if you want to record some audio. And that makes it really easy if you didn't want to have a hard drive connected and turn it off and then turn it back on when you're wanting to use it again. And also enabling and disabling different webcams or some of the bigger devices, or even like a podcasting mic. Or maybe if you have different capture cards or games, if you're doing live streaming and things like that, this could save a lot of space on your desktop. But now hear me out. Maybe you're someone that doesn't need all of those accessories in your life. Maybe you're not looking to fill this thing up, but maybe in your house or in your office, you may have a bunch of different lights that connect through USB. And instead of getting a USB powered hub like this, where you have 4 or 5 different ports, you can get something like this, and then you can turn on and off those lights with just a switch instead of having to unplug them, which can be a really fantastic space saver. And to top it off, at the moment of recording this video, it comes in under $50, plus there is a $10 coupon code, making it under $40 US. Which, for what it does, is actually priced really good. And if you are new to this channel, just to know that my job here is not to get you to go out and spend your money. I just want to share with you the cool gear that's out there, show you what it does, tell you how it works, and then if you're in the market for a product like this, you know where to get it. But that's it for today's video. I have a lot of really cool gear to catch up on now that I'm back, and I can't wait to share it with you, so do stay tuned to the channel. And if you want to see some of that really cool stuff I did when I was in America, you can click and watch this video or click and watch this video. Both of them are great, and I'll see you there.